Hi there. Are you looking for a way to render your video with a small file size and great quality? In this tutorial, I will show you the best settings for your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, go to File, Export, then Media. Next, change the format to H.264. For the preset, I will choose the 720p 25 frames, but this is totally up to you. Target and maximum bitrate, this is where you can set the estimated file size for your video. Once you're done, set the location. Check for use maximum render quality. Then, click Export. As you can see here, the actual file size is even smaller than the estimated file size. Next, play the video. You have it. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and check the description below for more info.